Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I am showing an easy way of making a beautiful modern art inspired flower vase which is made from cardboard and homemade ceramic clay. So let's begin making it. Starting by taking a piece of cardboard in dimensions shown, and I am rolling it with the help of rolling pin so that it will curve easily and it will become our flower pot. If you're here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. Taking another piece of cardboard to make its base. Now using a glue gun to fix this base to the first piece of cardboard. I'm cutting this portion of cardboard to give it a design. I'm using my homemade ceramic clay for this project, as this clay dries and becomes stone-like hard, so is appropriate for this project, and rolling thin sheets of clay and then sticking with the help of white glue. After applying sheets of clay, I'm smoothing it with water. Keep on adding sheets of clay unless and until all the vase is covered, and keep smoothing it with water. I'm showing a trick here to work with this clay. I'm rolling this clay on a plastic sheet, and it becomes easy to work with thin sheets of clay, as this clay is less flexible and can break easily. Once all the pot is covered with clay, I let it dry, and after drying I take portions of clay to make face. It's important to keep it smoothing with water, and I keep it smoothing on time to time and adding more clay whenever required. Again taking a portion of clay to make a nose. Now using a tool to add more details. Again taking more clay and shape it like lips and placing it. Making eyes using two portions of clay. Dimension to the face by adding more clay and making cheeks. And finishing by adding more clay to make chin and eyebrows. I let it dry for 24 hours, and after 24 hours I'm adding clay to the base. It's time to smoothen it more by using a sandpaper. I'm sanding it with gentle hands. Here I'm using fine sandpaper to smoothen the face, and it it's ready to apply paint. Here I am using acrylic color for this project. First covering the entire pot with white color. After applying 2 coats of white, I am giving it some touch of metallic gold. I am using dry brush technique for shading it by removing excess paint in palette. Called it almost done. This rich piece of art is ready to add more beauty and elegance to your space. If you love this idea, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications for more such creative videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.